Hello everyone and welcome. This is Dawn. I'm back with another video for you. Today I'll be using the Whimsy Stamps Tin Games Up and Down stamp set. I just love this set. These little elephants are absolutely adorable. They're very versatile and can be used for many different occasions. Birthday, new babies, Valentine's Day, and many more other occasions. So I'm going to get started. I'm going to use the Grass and Cloud Edger die to cut out a stencil for the clouds. I just die cut a piece of white cardstock with the cloud die. I did want to say if you don't have the Grass and Cloud Edger die, you can easily make your own cloud stencil by cutting different size humps from a piece of white cardstock. I've done this many times before I got the die. Okay, back to the card. I cut a piece of white cardstock to 8.5 by 7 and I scored it at 3.5 inches. And using the stencil that I made, I take some Distress Oxide ink because it's very easy to blend with this ink, and I put a very light coat down. I keep moving the stencil down and I just keep adding very light coats to it. I tap most of the ink off on my scrap piece of paper so that it doesn't make harsh lines on my paper. And then I just keep working my way down until I get all the way to the bottom of the paper. Next, I use the Slimline Cloud die and cut 2 of them from white cardstock, and then I glue them together, and then I glue the cloud die cut to the card base. I stamped the elephant from the Tin Games Up and Down stamp set and some balloons from the Gnomes Party Rose stamp set, and I cut them out with my brother's Scan and Cut, but you can easily fussy cut these images out. I'm going to do some quick Copic coloring for the elephant. I start by putting R11 Pale Cherry and color in the ear, the mouth, and the 2 hearts on the feet with it. I put C5 Cool Gray around the edge of the elephant. Then I color in the whole elephant with C3 Cool Gray, and I blend these 2 colors as I go. I just keep kind of bringing in the C3 with the Cool Gray back and forth. And I use C1 Cool Gray to color in the toenails. I colored in the balloons with RV11 Pink, Y02 Canary Yellow, and YG13 Chartreuse. I put foam tape on the back of the elephant and the balloons, and then I adhered them to the card front. Using the Magical Birthday Wishes stamp set, I stamped the sentiment Birthday Wishes onto the clouds with black ink. And that will complete my card for today. I want to thank you for joining me on the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. I would love for you to leave a comment below and let me know what you think of the card. Be sure to subscribe to the Whimsy Stamps channel and their other social media platforms so you don't miss out on any upcoming releases and great videos. Also, check out their website for all their new releases. And thanks for stopping by, and have yourself a wonderful day.